Alright, hey guys. Okay, well, what you're looking at right now is a new panel. I mean, it's not new. It came from this wall here, which now there's a telephone on this wall, so it really isn't necessary anymore. So, I don't think it was a necessary spot to put it. Well, I thought the pole station wire was going up there. I have my new exit sign. And it would lead to the power thing. And I was thinking of putting it right here, but it wouldn't fit because of this light switch and through this telephone. It's a firebox switch. So, to start out, let me get my keys. In this pole station. My office. Okay, here we are with the key, the MM101, and thank God for the burglar system, because a key broke. No. Yeah, I'll look at that later, the burglar system later, in another video soon. Studying my own problems right now. Alright, here we go. What you're about to see is here it is. Panel. That's it right there. There's the Silent Night. I don't need these anymore. Oh gosh, it's ruining the instructions. Put that away. Okay, so here we are with the panel. So far the circuits are out, so that's good. Let's see, it's dark. Dark, isn't it? Yeah. There it is. And this is what it's like to see in the dark, because what these lights are for is to see where the panel's at. Old-fashioned panels couldn't do that. I'll look outside. It's pretty creepy in here. Shit, I didn't see that. Oh yeah, what's this? It's the garage light. Well, dark in here when it's not dark. Alright, so, panel, that's it for the panel. To check out this old the wiring, as you can see, this wiring is new. Plug and plug this unnecessarily. As you can see, this outlet, these two vines right here are the electric beads, and it has this weird thing on it, which is called a switch, I think. Don't use too much electricity. Alright, so this time we're going to see it go on in 3, 2, 1. There it goes. There it goes. There's the normal. Well, I guess there you have it.